Hi everyone, Miss Yuri here and welcome to another Q&A episode natin. And ang ating Q&A episode, ang katanungan is, ano ang difference between Kerafire Brazilian Blowout and Kerafire Botox? Now, I would like to emphasize this, that Kerafire Brazilian Blowout is a non-fading treatment pag i-apply natin ito after hair color or any fashion colors na gagamitin natin sa buhok ng ating mga client. Now, as I have observed sa mga na-experience before with other hair products or other hair treatments, lalo na if yung treatment is my formaldehyde. So, this kind of treatments, pag i-apply natin sa hair after fashion colors or after basic hair color or after in vivid colors, kulay ng hair, ang mangyayari is mag-fade po ang kulay. Now, with Kerafire Brazilian Blowout, if ito ang ating i-apply, wala pong mangyayaring fading. And at the same time, nagre-retain ito ng moisture sa hair. Now, Kerafire Botox is a treatment na may straightening effect. And ito ay restorative treatment din, lalo na sa mga brittled hair, damaged hair, or super sensitized na po na mga buhok. Maganda din itong i-treatment or i-combo package natin after nating mag-rebond ng buhok. If we have doubt na magiging dry yung magiging resulta ng ating pag-rebond, i-combo lang natin si Kerafire Botox and it will become a restorative treatment sa hair na medyo dry na. So, yan po ang aking pang-combo sa aking pagre-rebond or pag ang buhok is super dry na during the process of hair color. Now, the difference naman when it comes to processing, si Kerafire Brazilian Blowout is wet application. So, 50% wet pa yung hair, basa pa yung hair, i-apply natin si Kerafire Blowout, babad ng 30 minutes. After that, you have to blow dry and plancha na. While si Kerafire Botox is kailangan natin itong i-apply on dry hair. So, 100% dry yung hair. After that, ibaba natin ng 1 hour. After 1 hour, banlawan with running water only. Wala ka nang i-apply after the banlaw. Blow dry and iron the hair. After ironing, you have to tell your clients na after 3 days na ito banlawan. So, itong dalawang product na to, they have different functionalities. So, you have to assist the hair first kung ano ang kailangan ng hair. Does it need restorative treatment or does it need moisture treatment only? The choice is yours. As a hairdresser, you need to assess the hair properly bago mo ilagay ang tamang treatment na kailangan sa hair. So, this is Miss Yuri. I hope nasagot ko ang inyong katanungan until our next Q&A episode. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again on my next video.